So you're going to take the thread that's in the kit. I like working with this much thread. Take the end, tie it, an inch from the spring. My first row is going to be 3 solid blues. Slide all my beads down, take my needle, go underneath my work. The first row is the hardest, and you're going to push the beads up between the lace, and then on top of the work you're going to slide the needle. And as I said, the first row is the hardest. We'll get the needle in place and then we'll move that thread around. So that's the first row. I'll do one more row. Let's put on the 3 blue again. That would match that pattern there. Once again, put my needle underneath the warp threads. Push those beads up. Take your needle, slide it on top of the work, and that secures the beads in place. Space is limited on the Zoom class, so you want to, when you receive your bundle, click on the QR code, and that will reserve your spot on that live class. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, give us a call at 1-800-430-2855 or jump on the website wanderingbull.com. Thanks for watching and happy beading.